my gosh, welcome back to yet another video, and today, as you can see in the title, it's going to be our Ipsy versus Ipsy bagging, and super excited about this month. And so if you are excited as I am, please be sure to go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can be notified when I upload all my other videos that are yet to come. And I'm going to be filming my shopping clothing haul, my shopping makeup haul, and I've got some new products to try out from the haul, so be sure to stay tuned for all that fun stuff coming your way here within the next week. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into this Ipsy versus Ipsy before this intro gets too long. So we are going to dive straight into my bag. And this month it is a orange, really pretty summery bag, and the bag is like, it's kind of like a, almost feels like a denim material. It's really cute. I love the little yellow tassel on the top. And the theme this month is just called Selfie with No Filter. There's the card. So first up in my bag, I got the Ciate Glow 2 highlighter. There's the packaging. So here's what it looks like. The name is called Moon Dust. So here is the swatch. I think that is just really pretty. And I have a Z palette that's got some room in it, so I am going to go ahead and add this into that. So next up in my bag, I got, let's see, this is so cute. Look at the little sticker on the bubble wrap. Looks like it's something from Ipsy. It's a fresh face blush. The shade is called Beach Rose. So there is the color. I really like this shade. It's kind of a, oh, and it's so buttery. The texture is so buttery. I love that. This really matches my skin tone really good right now. I think that's really a pretty color. I like that a lot. Alright, next up, moving on. I got this Glamour Doll Sweet Treats lip gloss. Y'all, this packaging is so cute. Haha. This reminds me of some stuff I had when I was a kid. Like, this is too funny. It has a really minty tone to it, or minty scent. There's a swatch of that. The gloss is really a pretty gloss color, and I don't know, I might try it. I don't know, not too thrilled about that one. Next up, I got this Cream Pigment by Hikari. It's in the shade Fierce. Let's see. Ooh, this is so pretty. Look at that. That is sheer burgundy. Y'all, that's my second favorite color, is burgundy. Wow, look at that pigment. Isn't that beautiful? That's pretty. Alright, last up in my bag, I got this Glow for a Cause Lip Love, the shade Flirt. It's just a, looks like it's just a chapstick. So there's what it looks like. So I'm excited to try that out. So those are all the products I got in my bag. Just dropped something. Those are all the products I got in my bag. Let's go ahead and dive into my mom's bag here and see what she got. So she's got something on the outside of her bag, and it looks like it's a brush from Crown. So that's a blush highlighter brush. So here's what it looks like. I think it's a really nice brush, and it feels really nice, really soft. I've never tried any brushes from Crown, so that's really neat. I always love getting brushes in my bag, and so does my mom, so she will be thrilled about this. So on into her bag, she got this Murad Exfoliating Cleanser. Here's what it looks like. Whoa, a lot came out. I was just going to try to show you guys the texture. So there's kind of what the texture looks like. It does have some exfoliant in it. It doesn't really smell very good. Moving on to the next product in the bag. She got the same Glamour Dolls Sweet Treats lip gloss. I won't swatch that for you guys because I already have. And she also got the same Ciate Glow 2 highlighter. I think she got the same shade. Yeah, Moon Dust. She got the same shade in that. And then the last thing in her bag, she got this Dirty Little Secret Cosmetics eyeshadow. Oh no, my bad. It's a bronzer. So here's what it looks like. I don't know, like, I feel like this is really shimmery for a bronzer. I'm not one to really love too much shimmer in my bronzer, but that's what it swatches as. I think that's really, it's a really pretty shade. Like, I like that a lot. I'd probably use that as an eyeshadow, but. So those are the 5 products she got, and I think that Ipsy did pretty good at following our profiles again. Me and her are both just all makeup in our profiles, and she got one cleanser, which I don't really mind getting cleansers because I like to be able to take the makeup off. So, but yeah, I think Ipsy did really good for this month. And guys, let me know in the comments what you guys got in your bags this month. I would love to know. I love getting to find out what everybody else got, because with Ipsy there's so many variations for each month. And please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye guys, thanks for watching.
Hey guys, so if you haven't subscribed already, then click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you want to watch another great video, then click the one on the left or the one on the right.